Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Mass hiring is announced for all of you from Hitachi, Global Logic, Target and Wipro. AI native intern hiring, associate analyst and apprentice tech and retails hirings are there. 24, 25, 26 batches eligible. Subscribe to our online learning channel. Apply for all opportunity. We are sharing the genuine hiring opportunities with all of you. It is posted 9 hours ago by their one of senior software engineer at Wipro. Fresh graduate and final year students are eligible for AI native hiring. Bangalore, Chennai, Noida, Hyderabad is the location. One thing, it is totally a resume shortlisting opportunity. For that, we created 100 plus ATS friendly resume templates for all of you. And one thing, it's a great thing for all of you because you will find more than 100 plus templates in this. Okay, total 100 plus templates according to your role and according to the things, and you will find the style templates. Okay, means multiple style. And one thing that I have to mention, I created a resume mastery for all of you, resume master guide 26, where you find template 1 fresher resume most common. This is one of the professional resume. Everything is mentioned. You can see professional summary, skills, project, internship, education, certificate, and this is for experienced professional. This is for internship resume. Okay, and in this mastery pack you will find each and everything, like how to resume, ATS resume format rules, how to write each resume section. Okay, section wise, work experience, extracurricular activity, ATS keyword optimization, how to check your ATS score, everything, how to match your resume with the job description. As we know that it is a completely a JD based opportunity, so this will definitely helpful for all of you. And in market you can see there are prices like 5,000, 2,000, 500, but it's not like that. It is for 29 rupees. It's just a platform charge, and we are only providing you that you will definitely get response from this and you can definitely crack opportunity. So you can check, the link is in the description. They are hiring for fresh graduates. It is a global logic. It is one of the mass hiring. Hyderabad fresh graduate, associate analyst is the role. Must apply for opportunity. 24, 25 batch can apply. 26 can also try to apply. There is no problem. Previous can also try to apply. It is posted yesterday on 23rd May. Okay, referral hiring alert at apprentice 2026 batch, apprentice tech and retail ops, BE, BTech, CSIT and BA, BSc, BBA, BCA, MCA, MBA, MTech and more for retail ops. 26 batch is eligible. I can help with the referral registration process. You have to share your resume, college name, degree, branch, current CGPA and certificate, like percentage. So I am sharing both. The link is in the description. You can check and must apply for opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.